What's up? Welcome to my channel and you're welcome to the Museum of Illusions.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
In one hand this side, getting this. Same. Now other hand, same, but the different side. See?
I hope you had so much fun watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Watch other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kofi signing out. Peace. Have a great day.
Sensational double